Hello, creative kids. Welcome back. Did you know? When Superman first appeared in Action Comics number 1, 1938, he couldn't fly, he could leap, he had super strength and could run faster than a speeding train. His ability to fly wasn't added until the 1940s when animators found it easier to animate flight than constant jumping. In 1978's comic Superman vs. Muhammad Ali, the Man of Steel faced off against the boxing legend in an intergalactic boxing match. To make the fight fair, Superman fought under a red sun, which stripped him of his powers, leading to an epic and surprisingly even brawl. In the Silver Age, Superman went through some weird transformations. In Action Comics 243, a freak accident temporarily gave Superman the head of a lion. Yes, a literal lion's head. He managed to reverse it, but the imagery was unforgettable and bizarre. Superman's hair is as indestructible as the rest of him. In one comic, a strand of his hair is used to suspend a giant weight in a museum exhibit because it's so strong. Fun fact, when he wants to cut it, he uses heat vision reflected off a mirror made of Kryptonian material. In some versions of the story, particularly in Smallville and older comics, Lex Luthor and Clark Kent were friends during their youth. Their falling out usually involves a tragedy where Lex blames Superman for his loss of hair or a larger failure. Great work, everyone. Nicely done. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. What were your favorite moments? Also, if you have a special request, please leave a comment and I will do my best to draw it. Until next time, stay curious and be creative.